Chili is so comforting, but it's not really known as a healthy dish. By replacing some ingredients with healthier substitute, it doesn't have to be too fatty and heavy. This dish can be lighter but still comforting and delicious. So, let's get started. Put cooking foil on a baking sheet. Then, put a wire rack so that bacon fat can be drained. Put bacon strips one by one on the rack and bake them at 375 for 18 to 20 minutes or until crispy. Put the bacon strips on paper towel and get rid of leftover fat. Yes, we love bacon, but we don't have to eat this much fat. We are making lighter chili today, so let's just stick to the lighter part, shall we? Look at this fat. This doesn't have to go into our body. Chop roughly. Put the half of the amount in a freezer bag and freeze it. You can use it when you need bacon in the future. We're going to use the other half in the chili later. Strip off the tiny leaves and chop. We need 1 teaspoon. Grate 4 cloves of garlic. Peel 1 medium sweet potato and chop into cubes. I know sweet potato seems an odd choice, but when the sweet flavor and hot chili meet together, it's just so good. Because of the sweet potatoes, you don't need to add extra sugar. We need to rinse beans. Do you see the bubbly ones? Get rid of those. Those will make you gassy. People say beans make you gassy, right? No, it's not true unless you eat them too much. It's the bubbly foam in the can. So drain and set them aside. Let's mix our spices. Add the chili, ground cumin, oregano, sweet paprika, and cayenne pepper. I don't put salt in the spice because I like to add the salt when I cook meat. That way, I don't overly salt. Sauté chopped onions. Season with salt and pepper. Add 1 pound of ground turkey. Season with salt and pepper. When there is no pink, add minced garlic and thyme. Turkey doesn't have a whole lot of flavor, so we need to boost the flavor with herbs and garlic. Add the dry mixture. Add 2 links of hot Italian sausage. Sausage is already seasoned, so I won't add anything. This sausage will add even more flavor to the ground turkey. Add the sweet potatoes and salt and pepper. Cook a little bit so that sweet potato can keep the sweetness. If you pour liquid right away, all the sweet flavor will go out to the liquid. Then the sweet potato will not be sweet. Add tomato paste and cook about 1 minute. Pour a bottle of beer. Reduce a little bit. Add 1 can of chopped tomatoes, beans, and salt and pepper, and chop the serrano chili peppers. Now, let's sprinkle in our bacon. Cover the pot and simmer for about 1 hour. Serve with Mexican cheese, chopped avocados, Greek yogurt, chopped parsley, and baked tortilla chips. Bon appetit!